In today's video, we shall be making an easy accordion journal. So I shall be using some A6 paper. This. Now that's our first page. One more up. The first thing we want to do is to fold our papers. So guys, we are using 6 by 6 inches. They're craft papers. The first thing we are going to do is to fold our papers. So I'm folding to the middle. I'm not measuring. You can measure if you want. I folded one side of my paper, and now I'm going to take this side and also fold it. We want to down. So this is our first fold done. We're going to fold every other paper just like this. I quite like the inside of this paper. So I shall be using this to measure what I'm doing. So I'll do this like that and until it is almost the same. So but I quite like the we're going to fold in, and we now have 4 of them. They're almost the same. So okay, now that we have folded our papers, we're moving on to the next step. For this step, you're going to need your glue stick. You can use this, and we're going to glue with the bigger side, bigger flap. Just a little bit of glue, cover your flap like that, and shut. This is what we have so far. Apply some glue, a generous amount, so your pin, as we just did. And that's the second one done. Signatures ready. For the next step, we need some paper. So here is my paper, and we're just going to measure and cut in a moment. Now I'm going to cut my paper. Cut. Now we have cut our papers. We're going to fold them in halves like that. We have folded our papers. The next thing we're going to do is to also fold these ones in halves. So go on and fold in perfect halves. One. And we shall also go on to pin favorites, our 5th paper. Now, here is what we've got at the moment. In the next step, what we're going to be doing basically is to put these two together. Using one of those to put this together like so. Push it in. Once you're satisfied, press that down. And look, we've got our first one done. So that's our first signature. Okay, and bend over. So up. And when you think it's a bit steady, it's time to fold this one over like that. Stick them properly. This is what we got. 4, 5. So here are our signatures. Now the next thing we're going to do is to put these signatures together. So we're going to bind them together from these sides. So it's going to be something like that. Signatures. Do this one, put them together, make sure they are aligned on the edges, and once you are comfortable, it's time to push that one down. So we got our first 2 pages together. Push, put together, hold. You can hold with one hand. I'm holding with my left hand. They are almost on the same level. Go down to press, and we have 3 of them together. Now take this one and put over here, just like we did with the other ones. Push in, and we have 4. One, do that. Okay, aligned. It is time to shut the gate on them. So that's that one done. Now we have this together. It is time to construct our journal cover. I'm going to be using this old book card for my cover. So what you want to do is to put that there so you can measure out what you need. Slightly bigger than your journal, just slightly bigger. I'm going to cut my cover from here. I glued 2 cardboard together, and we need to cover it. I'm taking my double-sided tape off. That's just a hack. So cut from here. While I wait for my covers to dry a bit, I'm going to reinforce this using some washi tapes. And a great fit or match for this. So I think this is reasonably dry right now, so I'm just going to go in and do this. Go in and press. Again, same thing, and the same thing over here. So that's our cover. Let's do the same thing here right now. So just press. Remember, we used a double-sided tape just to make it quicker and easier. So the covers will be coming in like this and like that. So here are our covers, and this is our back cover. I would like a little bit of a tie rope, so let's go on to glue down some tie rope inside. Now I'm going to put down more of my double-sided tape right in there. My fabric stuck on, and it is time to put on this panel over this fabric. So my fabric thing doesn't take it quickly. We're just gonna glue down this panel. So you see, so this is coming somewhere at the back. Our journal is ready. Let's have a quick look at our journal. You can use this for gifting purposes. So that's our easy accordion journal, no-sew journal. Perfect for beginners in crafting, perfect for your craft groups, art classes, and the rest of them. So we're not going to disturb it too much because we want it to dry up properly.